everyone, it's Shalina Joy from American Rehab Restoring Victoria. Right now seasonal changes are happening and I'm in holiday mode. I want to change the lighting to make it a more soft and intimate setting in the dining room. And today I'm just going to change this light to make the sconces dim. So what I did is I went to the hardware store and I just purchased a dimmer that looks just like the regular switch, so that I don't have to change the plate or anything like that. It's just a regular dimmer switch, just like this. And it has the dimmer here on the side. Cool, right? So all I have to do is just switch this out. It should be easy breezy. But first thing first, I need to turn off the electric. So in here, I really only have a two-way switch. So this is gonna be really simple. Some lights have three-way switches, but this is only two-way, which has only two wires for on and off. I'm gonna remove this one. This is for the wall sconces. Okay, so to make this go a little faster, I'm gonna use my drill. Okay, so I'm going to bring the camera in a little closer so you can get a better look at the wires here. Okay, so I'm just going to loosen the wires. Voila. Alright, so as you can see on the old, you have your neutral, which is the green, and you have your two wire. With the dimmer, same thing. Neutral, two wire. So it's a simple switch out. And do the same thing. Put it back on, make sure it's nice and tight. Tight. And I just put the neutral on. Come on. Alright, so the neutral is pretty much just to make sure you don't get shocked when you turn on and off your light. Just a little grounding. When you turn on and off your light, you don't get a little jolt. Walking across the carpet and stuff. Just jiggle it in there. Make sure it fits. I don't want to tighten it all the way just yet because I want to make sure I have room to go back and forth just in case I need to switch it for the plate. Like, see here, the plate is not fitting, so I know I can move the bottom a little bit. See just where I need it. Right there. Okay, so that's exactly where I need it. So I can finish putting it in. All right, so now I'm gonna turn on the power just to see if it works before I secure the plate. Okay, so now it's time to test. Voila. So that's how you go from a regular light switch to a dimmable switch. Just like that. So for more tips and tricks on how to do things yourself around the house, follow me on Facebook under Shalina Joy, Instagram @Shalina Joy, and Twitter @I am Shalina Joy.